Hello, welcome back to the channel. Glad you could join me today. I've been doing a bit of Christmas crafting, and I was thinking about some friends that I usually give stuff to, and so I thought I'd make just a few items for them to stick in with their cards when I mail them out this week. So thank you for joining me. Hope you all are having a really good day and that you're ready for the weekend and you're starting to get some of your Christmas things up. I got most of my Christmas decorations inside up. I have a few more things to do, but most of it is done. So got that all taken care of. So now I have to go out, do the grocery shopping and stuff like that. We decided we're gonna have, again, a non-traditional Christmas type meal. So we're thinking of roast beef. And so we're going to go out tomorrow and see if we can find the roast beef. So I'm enjoying the non-traditional. I hadn't had a taste for turkey or anything like that. We had ham at Thanksgiving, so I don't want any more ham. So let me get started with what I've been making. So I have a few friends who like to carry little notebooks in their purse so that, you know, they write down this, so you can write down things in your purse. You go to the doctors, you want to write it down. I know some people, some of my friends are phone people, so they have everything done in their phone. But a few of my friends, excuse me, and like myself, we don't. So I made these little holders so they can slip it down in that, you know, a little zip pocket. Slip it down in the little zip pocket. And I made these from, these are file folders from the Tim Holtz die. If I can find where I put my Tim Holtz die, I'll show it to you. But of course, oh, here it is. So they're made for these file folders that Tim Holtz has. And I also use some of the specimen windows. So I'm going to submit this into Satmornmakes for Satmornmakes. It's a open collab sponsored by hosted by Jill Norwood here on YouTube, and anyone can enter it. Whatever you've been working on creatively, you can add those in to a video to show other makers what you have made and for inspiration. I'm also going to enter this into Two Crafters, One Design, because I think their prompt this week is for Christmas. And since these are my Christmas gifts, I know I didn't use typical Christmas colors because I want them to be able to use them all year long. So that's what I'm doing. And I'll put all the information about Two Crafters, One Design and Jill Norwood in my description box, so check down there. And if you're watching this video, and could you give me a thumbs up and also a comment? It really helps the algorithm here on YouTube. So this is the first one that I made. And I put on here, coffee has given me unrealistic expectations of productivity. So inside, little decoration, and I told you I used those specimen cards that he had, and it's a beautiful day. She likes all things butterfly, so I included that in a little collage here. And then I added the 2025 calendar in here, so when she's somewhere and she needs to know what date it is and she doesn't look at her phone, or she's talking to someone and they're writing something down, you have a calendar in here. And you don't have to actually put it in your purse, but I know they will put it in their purse, because when I see them, they're always reaching for some notebook to write something. So the calendar is in here, so the 2025 calendar is in here, so you'll have that. Also in here are some pages, some notes where you can write stuff down, and you can once you finish with this, you can add more notes in if you want. And then I included some tags where you can actually put info on the back, like you meet somebody and they say, oh, give me your number. I know people always go, give me your phone, I'll type it in. I never like anybody touching my phone, so I always go, wait a minute, let me write it down, and I'll write it down. So here's that. And so that's the first one. And it slips in here. And if you have your purse, slip it down in that zipper part. So I made this next one. And this one is happiness. And this one has more tags that you can write on. Little pocket, more tags to write on. Little decor. There's no place like home. She's a homebody. There you are, the calendar again with a little to-do list thing. Then you have your another book with notes. You can write notes. And then a place to write again. So you have a lot of writing space in this one. And I think they came out really cute. You don't have to let me know if you think they came out really cute. I think they did. And so this one, I did a while back. You saw me do, if you haven't seen me, this is a puzzle piece. I collaged on a puzzle piece. So if you didn't see that, I'll try to link the video where I made these puzzle piece collages. I put it on the front of this one. This one has the tags also. It has a writing space. I used some of the 49 and Market rub-ons. I love a good rub-on. On the tags, I collaged a little bit and used a rub-on of a bumblebee. Also, this one has the calendar also, a little collaging, but a dragonfly from 49 in Market, little stamp. Here she has a tag, little collage tag, and a notebook. I did this notebook and I added some lace to it. And this is also a 49 in Market rub-on. This one has more writing space, another tag. And this is, you can write on the back of these tags too. So those are that's that one. So I made 3 of them. I'm going to put them in the little envelopes. And then I have this one that came from the Dollar Tree, and it's a little stand. So it's a desk calendar that you can put on your desk. It's a little stand. And so I jazzed it up and have it for the 2025 calendar to put on there. So once you finish this, you can, next year, you can use the same stand and put another calendar on. And then I attempted a one-page wonder. So when you open it up, you have tags here. Flip it open again. You have your calendar and some paper to write on. You flip it open there, and you have more spaces to write. So this also can slip down in your purse, so you can have it for your purse. And it's one of those one-page wonder things where you take one page and you just make a little flip thing. I think I'm gonna do another one and then try to do another type of little journal on it, but I like the one-page wonders. And the last one, if you haven't seen it, I made this one. It's a little junk journal for using the same Tim Holtz. So this one has a tag, and it also has a little dangle on it. It says Joy. A little lady on it, some little lace, a notebook for writing, a notebook, that, library pocket, tag, writing space, more writing space, flip it, there's a tag, and just some decorations. So I think this one came out good too. And it has more little tag, more tags you can write there. And that's the end of that one. So if you have this Tim Holtz die, it's from his I can't remember what chapter it was from, and I think it was I think it's last year. So if you have this one, think about making some of these little notebooks and little things to put in the purse for friends who like to write stuff down, or make one for yourself if you like to write it down. So I'll see you soon in my next video. If you like what I've done, give this video a thumbs up. Also comment below on what you think of it and what you think of my Christmas projects, and I'll talk to you soon. And I want you to have a pleasant day. If you're crafting, keep crafting. If you're just enjoying watching crafting videos, press that subscribe button. I have a couple more makes that I've made. I made some ornaments that I'm still working on, so I'll be putting that video up soon. And if you also don't like watching long videos, check out my shorts. I think they're very good too. And I'll see you in my next video. Don't forget to take during the season to do a little self-care, because self-care is not selfish. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye now.